Her voice is so awesome. Namaskaram, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just gonna react to another highly requested Kurdish music video. Recently, many of the Instagram DMs, many of you guys just wanted me to react to this artist, even though it's like a old video, or not in the sense that much of old video, but released in 2020, December 2020. But it's like it's like a old video, but not that much. But anyways, many of you guys requested this video. This artist actually, so to say, the artist name is Sairan Osman. So name of the song is called Al Sa. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm just pronouncing it wrong, sorry for that. So anyways, many requesters, so I decided to react to. Also, I reacted to the last many requester, the Eli Love and Feat with Mohammed Al Salim, but the video got blocked. There is some copyright issue which I'm just really going through. I don't know, maybe I will try to upload in my Google Drive or something like that. I'll try to do it, but just give me some time. But anyways, I hope you guys understand from the YouTuber side that there are issues like copyright. So before I get into the reaction, I just want to say, Sla Kurdistan, Chon Basan, hello everyone, Bakarbum, welcome to this channel. Since you guys came back to the channel, Koshamavan, I love you guys. So keep showing the love and support, so that we just like grow as a community. When it's like Kurdish people, Kurdish music reactions are part of the my content. So Kurdish subscribers are part of my family. So keep supporting your boy, more videos to come. And if you're new around there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification, follow me in my social medias like Instagram, leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, but if you guys do so, that really means a lot to me. Link in the description. So don't want to delay much further. The name of the song, Alsa Sairan Osman. So let's go. Okay, they are in a club. She's gonna dance. Okay, music that started just like that. The club. I haven't seen that much of Kurdish music videos where they shot in clubs. It's a club, but it's so awesome. But anyways, it's gonna be like the traditional beat with the traditional clothes and all that. The dance, they holding their hands together and they're gonna dance. But it's in a club. That's a different thing. Hey. Catchy. Dunya. Yo, this is so catchy, man. This is so catchy. Oof, that's the reason many of you guys requested, but I just like give me more songs like this, man. I'll try to do my best reacting more of Kurdish music, but at the same time I'm just like I have to just see on the copyright side also. That's the reason I'm just pausing, explaining, just like telling my feeling, whatever I'm just feeling it. That's the reason. If you guys don't understand, I hope you get it. Let's go. Okay, a nostalgic beat. This is the best part. All of the best music video has this type of nostalgic traditional Kurdish music where I just like go, they just vibe all the way, when the music starts. Let's go. I never get tired of this hearing this beat, man. Even though it's like I heard so many times, whenever I just hear it, it feels like I'm just hearing it for the first time. And also the dance moves, whatever they does along with that, it just makes it all new vibe, as if you're just hearing the same nostalgic beat again for the first time. That's the highlight. Since I said this is different, since it's like in club, but most of the music that they does the same thing, but it's like in some natural place or some awesome looking place, something like that, where they dance. But anyways, it's some kind of different. I really love it. How much views it got? 3.6 million. Guys, go check it for yourself. I gave a thumbs up. Go check it for yourself. That's awesome. Her voice is so awesome. Guys, do let me know what does she said? What does it mean? What she said? Kurdistan Kurbamun. Let me know. What does it mean? Okay, again nostalgic snake beat. Hey, awesome, man. Shot one, it was good. Nice. Actually, it's so nice. But the only difference, as I said, they shot in a club, which is basically that's a difference which I can find. And also Sairan Osman, her voice is amazing. Guys, thanks for letting me know. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. That was a cool one, man. In a club, they danced, vibed and all that. And when it's like, if they just like took this music video location in some other like a natural place or something, they could have danced like, long line, that I feel so nostalgic and so happy to hear that, to see and hear that kind of music videos. But anyways, this is some kind of different. But anyways, thanks for letting me know. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you guys really enjoyed my reaction, give a thumbs up in this video and share this video to the maximum. And if you're new or under, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, follow me in my social medias like Instagram, leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, but if you guys do so, that really means a lot to me. Link in the description down below. And Zor Subas, thank you guys for watching my reaction. Keep supporting your boy. More videos to come to Kurdish music, so keep supporting your boy. So that also let me know what other videos should I react to, because based on the Instagram DMs I just choose. So make sure to just Instagram DM some good Kurdish music. I'll react as soon as possible. And if you're just like new or India, as I said, consider subscribing, hit the notification, follow me in my social medias like Instagram and Facebook, all link in the description. And yeah, and Bishi Kurda Kurdistan. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right here, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.